Hey all, welcome back to my channel. And from today onwards, we will gonna start a new series in which we will gonna do the installation of VMware and configuring from I'll say beginner to the intermediate level. So if you be with me in the entire series, by end of this series, you will be able to install the ESX servers and do many more things in the VMware. So let's start it. So the first thing we have to go to a site called Broadcom in order to download the VMware files. I hope you are aware that VMware has been purchased by Broadcom, and in order to get this particular files you have to create a login account first on this site. I have already created an account, and only after that then you will get a link like this next to your name. Over here you have to go towards the VMware Cloud Foundation. Just select this, and after that you have to click on My Downloads. It usually take a while, and then you have to scroll it down and find where the VMware workstation is, and here you go. So we are able to find the VMware workstation player. So it's a very good tool which we can use it for the educational purpose. We don't use this application at the enterprise level. It's just for the educational and the learning perspective. Or if you are building your home lab, just select this and it will gonna start downloading your file. uh, Over here you will get an option for the different type of versions as well, like 15, 16, 17. I'll recommend you can download 16. Over here there are multiple releases, just select any one of them, because our major goal is to learn how the VMware workstation work. Instead of going into their features and releases, just select on I agree, and then you will be able to see that option that it's enabled for you. Just downloaded it. In our scenario, I have already downloaded the file. So once you download the file, just double click on this application, and it usually take a couple of seconds to launch the VMware, and it started. I'll try to fast forward this video as much as I can, so where we are just capturing the important steps and important stuff for our learning perspective. Once the exe file launch, it will gonna give us a window like this, where you just need to click on next. There are few options. In my scenario, I have already installed the VMware version. It's giving me change, repair or remove. For you, it will gonna give you an option for install, and when you click on change, it giving you different options. You just say next on that, change and install. It will just quickly validating your exe file and start installing process. And we can see the installation process has been completed. Just click on finish, and you will be able to see a shortcut has been created on your desktop. In order to launch the VMware workstation, just double click on that link and it will gonna start the VMware workstation for you. Thank you for joining this session.